Credit cards can be a powerful financial tool, but they can also be dangerous if not used responsibly. When used wisely, credit cards can help you build credit, earn rewards, and provide a convenient way to pay for purchases. However, if you overspend, carry a balance, or miss payments, you can quickly find yourself in debt and struggling to make ends meet. Credit cards can be a slow poison if you use them irresponsibly. High interest rates and fees can quickly add up, making it difficult to pay off your balance and causing your debt to spiral out of control. It's important to use credit cards wisely and only charge what you can afford to pay off in full each month. To avoid falling into the trap of credit card debt, you should create a budget and stick to it, pay your bills on time, and avoid carrying a balance whenever possible. You should also keep track of your spending and check your credit card statements regularly to ensure that there are no unauthorized charges or errors. Overall, credit cards can be a valuable financial tool if used responsibly, but they can also be dangerous if not used wisely. By using credit cards carefully and responsibly, you can avoid the slow poison of credit card debt and enjoy the benefits that credit cards have to offer.